Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one, and a big key level of support was broken. I thought, that this thing was probably going to at least enter into just a sideways channel pattern where it was just going to, chop back and forth. But unfortunately, that did not happen. Well, I say unfortunately from the bullish side of things. If you're a bear and we're short, then you absolutely love this action. But the problem is you can see that the price actually went down there and broke down below the lower part of that channel, which is where the first update comes into play. Actually, let me do some house cleaning first. Let me just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the newest area of resistance now headed into Thursday is going to be right there at $23.50. So if the price does it all, try to stabilize out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to $23.50, but more importantly, can the price get up above it and stay up above it? So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. Now, if the price can work its way up through that area, so it breaks back above that $23.50 and continues on up, then the next key level that you're going to want to watch from more of an overarching standpoint is going to be that purple line up here, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. But I also don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can even break above $23.50. But if it can, then like I said, that's where you can start to put more focus on that 50-period moving average. As far as areas of support are concerned now, next key level here, and this is where things get a little sketchy because next level, not until down here at $21. Now, that does not mean that the price is going to drop straight to that area, but I'm just saying that from the technical point of view, when you look back here through the history of the chart, there just simply isn't any other data points that suggest that could be where next areas of support could be. So $21, next key level to keep an eye out for, and we'll see if the price ultimately drifts down there or not. But yeah, not the greatest day today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.